Over the last several days, we've seen an increase of cases in Canada, and the outbreak of COVID-19, as the coronavirus is formally named, is evolving rapidly across the world.
The number of COVID-19 cases on a slow but steady rise within Canadian borders. But Canada's Chief Public Health Officer says the virus still hasn't crossed an important floodline.
There is no evidence of community spread of the virus in Canada, with all cases directly or indirectly linked to travel.
The increase in cases also has the government worrying about the economy.
For example, in tourism, for example, in travel, for example, on supply chains disrupted and coming from China. We recognize there are many different people and industries that are seeing challenging situations because of the coronavirus.
As the virus attacks stock markets and international trade, it also threatens thousands of small businesses. The Canadian Chamber of Commerce recommends business owners start making plans now.
They need to ask themselves some basic questions. If 20 to 40% of my workforce couldn't make it in, how could I keep the doors open, keep functioning? Can we telecommute, for example?
To help cushion Canadian wallets, the Bank of Canada announced a half-point cut to its key interest rate. The Prime Minister is also creating a special cabinet task force to spearhead the issue.
And we've created a cabinet committee that will have as a regular task to coordinate Canada's response to ensure that Canadians are getting the best information and make sure that we're watching carefully on the economic impacts.
Trudeau has tasked Deputy Prime Minister Chrystia Freeland to lead the charge, along with several other key ministers. In Ottawa, Nigel Newlove, City News.